What's up, guys? Albert Down back with another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about a slept-on bank that's currently giving 75K lines of credit. All right, let's get straight into it. Let me pull up the data points here. All right, so the name of the bank is called Novo Bank. Their line of credit doesn't report to the personal credit report, which is really good, and you always usually want to go for business credit products that don't report to the personal side because that's going to help you with utilization. That's always why you usually want to stay away from personal credit products and do business credit related stuff, because when you do stuff on the business credit side, it doesn't report to personal and doesn't affect your utilization. So you could get this and then even go for other stuff and get approved for other business credit related products. All right, so the next data point is having a 680 personal credit score. You could still get approved if you don't have a 680. Just keep in mind, you most likely will be paying higher interest. So yeah, make sure you at least have a 680 or higher. If you don't, you could get there by leveraging authorized users, what are also known as trade lines. If you don't know what that is, that's basically somebody with a good credit history adding you under their credit card, and that good credit history getting posted under your name. So you could have a friend or family do that, a friend or family member do that. They just give a call on the back of the number to the bank and tell them that they want to add you on as an authorized user. All they would need for that is your first and last name and your social. If you don't have that, you could buy a trade line. We offer that as a service too. Just reach out to me and somebody on my team will help you with that. And yeah, the trade line usually takes depends on the trade line. It takes a few weeks to post, and then as soon as it posts, it'll usually 2 to 3 weeks. It usually boosts the credit score overnight. And you could do 2-3 of those, and that will definitely help you get to a 680 or higher. All right, next data point on the list is they usually do approvals anywhere from 20K to 75K. The highest I've seen is 75K. Next thing on the list is you want at least 6 months of banking activity with them. It says this on the site. You need to have a bank account open with them for 6 months before they'll approve you and let you apply for this. So make sure that you open up an account with them and have a deposit relationship with them. I go over this in a lot of other videos. You always want to have deposits going through bank accounts to build up the relationship before you do apply for the business product that you're going for. So one more thing to keep in mind is that they do use Plaid to check your accounts. So just keep that in mind before you apply. Plaid is a software that basically scans the data through your business checking account, and they use that data to see if you're gonna get approved or not. I went over this too in the Amex line of credit video. If you guys still haven't watched it, I recommend you watch it. And yeah, the next thing on the list is they do a soft pull on Experian. So if you do currently have any inquiries on Experian, or you're lower than a 680 on Experian, keep that in mind and make sure that you optimize Experian before you apply for this. If you do have our inquiries that you want to get removed on Experian or the other 3 bureaus, I show you how to do that in the school community. If you still haven't joined, the link is down below. I'll show you how to remove inquiries, hard inquiries on all 3 credit bureaus in 24 hours. So if that's something you're interested in and you want to remove inquiries, which will help you guys a lot with funding, if you're doing multiple rounds of funding, I show you how to do that in the community. All right, guys, I hope that was a helpful video, and I'll see you guys here in the next one.